Welcome to the Calkin building in downtown Kentville. This historic landmark sits on one of the busiest corners in the valley. This commercial property offers great potential for your business with over 4,000 square feet throughout 4 units. It currently serves as a seasonal location for the Kentville Farmers Market with kitchen amenities, open spaces, and a gallery. With fantastic visibility and so much potential, come and see how this space can work for you and your business.